Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the main templates of WordPress. So we already know index.php. So whenever you make a theme in WordPress looks out for a file called index.php. So this is like the primary template of WordPress, and there are a couple other primary templates as well, like the singular, archive, single, page, home, 404 search. So everything does something. So suppose someone is searching for something in your WordPress theme, so you need to have a function in search.php that redirects him to a result. So if I search something, so it should give me something in return as well. And 404 is like the error. So if I search something and that thing does not exist in your WordPress theme, then it should give me an error that the item you are searching for does not exist in this theme. So 404 is also known as the error is also known as 404. So don't get confused about that. So for now, you don't have to worry about these things. Just make yourself just know that these things exist. Just know singular.php exists. Just know taxonomy, date, tag, category, author. These things exist. So we will work on these things individually as well. So when we will make some coding or work on these files, you will get to know more and more of this. And when you will be doing your own project, you will know a lot more. So for now, you can just go to developer.wordpress.org and this link. So this thing is kind of long. Just go to Google and search for template hierarchy WordPress. Just by searching this term, you will land on this page, and this page is very useful. This is not a, this is just an image. You can just save it, or you can bookmark this link as well, so you can see the image anytime you want. So yeah. So yeah, we will cover a lot of these things in the upcoming future. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.